Welcome, I'm Jason with Cerakote. Today we will demonstrate the process to replace the lid gasket on your Cerakote robot. For this process, you will need a small pick or flathead screwdriver and your replacement gasket.
The reason for replacement is when the gasket is no longer flat and becomes rounded from compression over time. In addition, coating buildup on the gasket prevents it from sealing properly. This loss in air pressure may lead to coating defects. With a small pick or flathead screwdriver, use the channel in the lid to remove the gasket. Using solvent and a microfiber towel, clean any debris or coating residue from the channel. Press in the new gasket by hand. The gasket will fully seat during tightening of the lid on the first installation.
That concludes the replacement process of your lid gasket. For more information, visit cerakote.com.